Hi all, welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this tutorial we are going to learn a new different formula that is a sine. I would say not a single formula, there are multiple formula that we are trying to discuss here, that a sin h, a cos h, and a tan h and so on. So in our last video we had discussed how we can put this sin h formula where we were getting the hyperbolic sine of a number. We were just trying to put this formula in this way simply, and I was freezing this and I was dragging like this, and I can change this formula to cos h also, and tan h like that, and cot h, and I can put this as a secant h, and this I can put as c as cosecant h, and I can drag this formula below also so that I can get my value like this. And I have converted this formula in a 2-digit. So now coming to the current scenario where I have this series a sin h. Basically, first we'll see the syntax of this formula. What it says, the inverse uh, the hyperbolic sign of a number. So basically the syntax is like we have to give the number, and I can give the simple number as minus 74.20 and so on. And here if you see, I'm getting the opposite value compared to sin h, that was minus 5. So whatever value I was getting by putting sin h formula, I am getting the same value, like inversely relationship has been developed between these formulas. So whatever value I was getting after giving my input as minus 5 in sin h formula, the same value I'm getting by putting the output of sin h as a input in a sin h formula. And I can drag this formula like this, and if you see, I can put a cos h, enter, and a tan h I can put, sorry, enter, a cot h, enter, and I'm gonna put a secant h. So here if you notice one thing, we don't have any formula for secant h. So we, although we can compute this reciprocal of secant value, but we don't have any kind of direct formula. Let's check for cosecant also, asc csc, and we don't have formula for these two things. Anyway, this is like a reciprocal of cosecant and secant. So that's how we can compute these formulas. So if you notice one thing, apart from all, I am getting the negative value, which is nothing but it is equal to my number as an input that I have given for sin h to compute hyperbolic. But in cos, I am getting the opposite sign. We'll try to check for the more values also how it is going to compute. I just press Control D, and if you see, all values are being computed in a manner that are uh, exactly the same as input, but in cos I'm getting the positive value only. So might be this is a mathematical expression or mathematical calculation, so that's why I'm unable to get. So, or might be the property of this cos h is like that only. So this is pretty much all about this formulas guys. So hope you like the session, or if you like the session, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next formula series also. Till then, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you, guys.